got another thing to throw out there, and this has nothing to do with the de jure government and the contracts and the corporation and all that crap. This has to do with the weather. Now, I've gotten to be a pretty good weatherman myself. I can pretty well tell what the weather's going to be. I pretty well have to. I ride a motorcycle, so I need to know whether it's going to rain or not. I've been caught a few times, but for the most part, I've been pretty good with it. The biggest thing I do is watch the cloud cover movements. Have you noticed that there is a tropical storm in the central Atlantic, and I can't get any animation of that tropical storm whatsoever? I use WeatherBug pretty good. I use IntelliCast pretty good, and neither one of them will show me the animation of that tropical storm. I finally actually went on to the NASA website so that I could see some kind of movement of what that thing's doing, which way it's going, and how it's forming and so forth. And they gave me animation. The only thing was, it only gives me about 2 frames, and then it all turns dark like the moon, like, you know, the darkness is coming over it. That's the closest I've come. I've gone to the weather, the National Weather Service. I don't get anything. No animation whatsoever of that tropical storm on any method that I have found. If you found one, I'd love to know where it is. I just think it's interesting that we got a tropical storm going on. I've been able to watch them all the way from the mid-Atlantic coming this way and be able to track them all the way. But now I cannot find any animation whatsoever of this tropical storm. And they've already given it a name, like it's a hurricane already. But I don't see a hurricane. Even in the snapshots, I don't see a hurricane. And I just think it real interesting that no matter where I go, I cannot get an animation to watch what this thing is doing. So consequently, at this point in time, I don't believe anything I'm being told about it. I believe the pictures I see a tropical storm. Actually, it's just a group of cloud cover. It's not really anything of any consequence. And I'm not going to believe anything I hear about it until I can see it actually happening. So I just thought I'd throw that one out there. I get a lot of things from you guys, Carney Art, and Smoking Joe Trainer, Andrew, Make Electric, all you guys, Show Me Baby. And I get a lot of good stuff from you guys, so I just figured I'd throw this one out there, because I've noticed it. I've really searched, and I've not been able to get anything. So at this point, I tell you, take whatever you hear about it as a grain of salt for now, until you can get some kind of movement and actually see what's happening. They can say it's the most horrible hurricane on the face of this earth right now. I wouldn't believe it. So we'll see what happens. Throwing it out. Talk to you later, guys.